Happy. Can you show me your hair? Can you show me your ear? Can you show me your teeth? Where are your teeth? Is that piggy? Is that a piggy? Where's the cat? What does the cat say? Meow. And the doggy? What does the doggy say? What? What does the doggy say? And the duck? Quack, quack, good job. And what does a monkey say? And an elephant? And the cow? And can you show me your tongue? Good job. And where's your nose? Where's your nose? Here. But where's your nose? There it is. Good job. And can you show me your head? Where's your head? Head. And can you show me your arms? Where are your arms? Where are your arms? There they are. Where are your hands? Can you show me your hands? Hands. Yeah. And what about your fingers? Good. What? Can you show me your fingers? You're all done? Can you show me how you're all done? Are you all done? Do you want to eat? You're a crazy little piggy. Can you eat? Eat. No?
No.
No. Oh. Do you want to go night-night? Do you want to go night-night? Or you want to go read a book? A book? Okay. But can you show me what the baby does when she's happy? Is Harmony happy?
Yeah.
No? Are you all done? All done. All done. Are you all done? Okay, you can have a book. Want your milk?